everyone is doing great. Since you guys all are facing this problem of payment method and you are not able to download any application through App Store and you are not able to pay anything through your Apple Pay. So I'm going to show you what helped me. I just found this solution by somehow, I don't know how, but I just did it after watching a lot of tutorials, reading a lot of, Reddits and everything. I mean, nothing worked for me. What worked for me is the last option, which I thought that I would use that if nothing would help. So that what was that? I mean, it was Apple support. I thought that I will just literally tell them that help me to resolve this one because I was not able to download my application. I was not, I have like few applications which I really wanted to download to use for my work, and it was literally disrupting my work. So today I thought that I'm going to solve this problem. I doesn't matter how, but I'm going to solve this problem. So thankfully, it worked for me, and I hope this tutorial which I am recording my screen for you guys, it will help you at all. So what you need to do is that just don't stop whatever you're doing on your iPhone. If you have iCloud, or if you doesn't have iCloud, just go to your laptop, go to your MacBook, and go to Apple support. And after going to Apple support, you have to go to click on App Store, and then App Store. After you need to go to payment method. Okay, so this one update. You have to click on update by payment method, and then just click on this one, and it will take you to you have to just follow these steps. This is what I did, guys. I mean, I'm not any software engineer or any tech guy. I'm just a random guy who just use these Apple products, and you have to click on this get started. All right, and then yalla, you are on your app store. It will take you to your app store, and then you have to, yes, this is what you have to just enter, because I was facing the same like red colors fonts here. Payment method is not working or something like that. You have to change payment method or fix this one. So what I did is that I just added my CVV there and expiry date here, and it worked. And what was the problem? Actually, there was some due payment, I think around 8 USD, $8. I think it was for iCloud or something, which was pending, and that triggered everything, and all the payments were blocked, and payment method were literally it's gone. So through these steps, it got fixed. So it did not happen on iPhone. I tried everything on iPhone, but like a lot of tutorials I followed by forced restart or whatever option they told me I did, but nothing worked. But this which I told you, this worked for me, and I hope you will I mean it will help you at all, help you too. And because I really know that, I mean it is really a headache, if you're not able to even download any application, or if you are not able to pay any um, anyone through Apple Pay. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much.